The Kaplan Business Challenge, a truly unique and interactive way for your employees to improve their business finance, management, and leadership skills. Companies that have participated in the challenge report immediate benefits. One client had this to say:
"I'm surprised at how much you can learn while playing this game. The overall experience was invaluable."
The Kaplan Business Challenge is a strategic training workshop that simulates a real-world business. Participants must work together as a senior management team assigned to turn a failing, former multi-million-dollar company back into a success story. Led by our expert facilitators, teams work through a variety of strategic and financial decisions. In competition with other teams, the challenge is to turn the business around and create value for the shareholders. The participants must work together to decide on the strategic direction of the company, create sales strategies, manage their supply chain, and forecast their financial needs. Throughout the challenge, your employees will increase their knowledge and skills in the following areas: business plans and budgets, cash flow forecasting, market assessment and sales forecasting, negotiation and delegation, financial statement analysis, and team building. Your employees will come away from the challenge knowing that every business decision has a financial consequence, as well as understanding that tracking and managing those consequences is vital. The challenge is intended for all employees within your organization who need a fuller understanding of business finance and the importance of key financial decisions. Examples of professionals who have previously attended include human resources, marketing executives, administrative staff, accountants, production and sales teams, customer service representatives, and board directors. The challenge can be customized to meet your specific organizational needs. It can be used as a standalone event or part of an onboarding or manager training program. It can be held at your location of choice, your office, a hotel or conference center, or at any of Kaplan's locations. To see how the Kaplan Business Challenge can deliver a genuine and tangible impact for your company, contact us today and discover this unique and powerful training experience for yourself.